Hi guys, so I have a new fruit to try today. So I found the pulp of it in this juice. It's the Naranjillo and it's in the nightshade family. It's related to like eggplant, tomato, ground cherries. So I'm expecting kind of an acidic texture and taste to them, but who knows? And then while I was at a different grocery store, I also noticed that they had fresh ones. So I washed them, and as I was washing them, they have kind of this like sandpaper texture on the outside, so it's real rough. And I was not expecting that. So if that's normal, let me know. Otherwise, these are kind of an odd one. So they've got that green on them. I'm gonna assume that that means it's not fully ripe, but I've never had it before, so I don't know. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. Let's cut it open this way. Okay. Maybe I should have done it the other way. So it looks inside like a tomato. So you've got the seeds, you got the jelly, and then kind of this hard, I don't think you eat the peel. I didn't do much research on this. Let's cut it this way. Yeah, so it looks exactly like a tomato on the inside. So let's try it. Okay. So the seeds are, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, it tastes a lot like a tomatillo. And so it's tomato, acidic. This one has a slight fruitiness to it, but it's still that very acidic taste. So yeah, it's pretty good. If you eat these fresh, let me know, because I don't know, I kind of like it. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try it with the drink, and let's see. It actually doesn't have that much sugar in it. That's surprising. I wonder what else. Okay, so it's got the pulp, it's got sugar, pectin, a preservative, and a stabilizer, and citric acid. Really, more acid to make it more acidic. It smells very strong, fruity, like passion fruit almost juice. And I got my daughter's fun little crazy straw. It's too thick for it though. Oh wow. That is intense. It's very good, but it's very, very, very strong. What would I say that tastes like? That's a different one. It has kind of that it somewhat tastes like mango, but then it tastes like passion, like intense passion fruit. And I taste the not the tomatillo. I taste the Naranjillo, which also they say is like a, translated into English, is small orange. So it kind of tastes a little bit like orange, like that acidic, the orange oil. So it kind of tastes like that mixed with mango. And I'm kind of loving it. I can't drink that much of it, but maybe watered down it would be better because it's very strong. All right, so if you guys like this juice, let me know, because I like it, but it's very intense. All right, bye guys.